I know some of y'all already judging my wig. It's Halloween today, so I was going for something different. Okay.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Bean, with me, Erin Wells, and today we do another cheesy recipe. We're gonna be doing buffalo chicken dip. Stay tuned. Alright, now quick warning before we begin, this is all vegan junk food, so all the vegan police, you might not want to watch this video.
It's junk food.
All of it, okay? Alright.
For everybody else, let's preheat your oven to 375. I'm gonna take 1 package of tofurkey chicken. Now usually I would use Gardein, y'all, but I just did not want to cook at all. Like, I didn't want to have to lightly season the pan and season nothing. So this is already packaged. I'm just gonna kind of break it up with my hand because I like chunky. Now if you don't like a chunky dip, then you would put this in your food processor to make the chicken really small, but I like chunks in my dip. Now we're gonna take a whole package of Go Veggie cream cheese. I left it out for about 30 minutes so it could soften. Can you come out? Dad. It just wanted to embarrass me. That's fine. That's, you know, perfectly fine. Now we're gonna take a half a cup of Just Ranch. This stuff is really good. I'm surprised. I'm not a big bottled ranch girl, but if you like that taste, oh man, it's not bad at all. Of course, it won't be buffalo dip without the buffalo sauce. 1/2 cup of Frank's Red Hot. 1 cup of Daya Cutting Board Series. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. 1 teaspoon onion powder. Now let's mix this all together. We're ready to transfer this to our casserole dish. We're gonna sprinkle some more cheese on top. Yes. Get all this non-bubble gut cheese, baby.
Actually, yeah, no, really, you can get all of it. I'm just gonna use the rest. There we go. Okay.
Now, I'm not the biggest fan of blue cheese, y'all, but I went ahead and got some Daya blue cheese. Also, you can look on their website. They'll tell you where it's sold. And this is just white beans that I rinsed and drained and covered with the blue cheese for about 30 minutes. And I'm just gonna kind of put that all over, okay? I'm actually gonna take away some of the cheese. I should have waited. Let me take off some of this cheese. And we're kind of just gonna drip, drip.
Came through dripping.
That way, if I don't like it, y'all, it's kind of just in places and we don't have to have it. You know what I mean? This is gonna be my blue cheese chunk. I have not tried this blue cheese yet. It smells like elementary school cheese, like one back in the day. Okay, now we're gonna cover that back up. And I'll put it on this side as well. But yeah, it just reminds me of when I was in elementary school. All right, that's enough. I have plenty more if we like it. If I don't, then we don't, okay? All right. So we're gonna stick this in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. We're gonna check it. When the cheese get bubbly, ooh, that's nasty. When the cheese get bubbly, we're gonna take it out.
Yeah, I just wanted to sneak a taste of the dip by itself or whatever. Oh, that's good. That's cute for a wrap or something. Okay, I don't eat no more.
Okay guys, it has been 15 minutes. I just took our dip out of the oven. Ooh, almost. So I let it cool for about 5 minutes or whatever, and now we're ready to taste. Are you so excited? I know you're not here, but you here. Ooh, yes. Look at that. That is all types of delicious. Let me try to get some of the blue cheese on there and see if I like it. I'm not sure if I got it in that first dip. I don't need it. But again, I don't like blue cheese. That tastes like elementary school blue cheese. Now, I did make a homemade blue cheese in my cauliflower wings video. I love that. Anything homemade from scratch, but that tastes like I'm 6 years old. I can do without it. Once again, that's why I didn't put it all throughout. But y'all need to make this dip. This will definitely be at like my Christmas party or something like that. Like, it is bomb. I would feed it to carnivores with no problem, okay? Alright, y'all, put on my full Halloween costume or whatever, and I got my good friend to come over here and taste the chicken buffalo dip for the first time.
It's flavorful. I've never had the buffalo ranch dip, but that's cheese, I'm presuming. It does taste like cheese. It tastes like real cheese. The chicken tastes good too. It's good. It's good. It tastes like what I would imagine a real thing tastes like.
Alright, so Jamal's critique wasn't good enough for me, so I got, oh, you know your name, you can introduce yourself.
Man, I done been on this show so many times.
I know, Slim Teasy.
It's my show, man. That kind of fire though.
Do you have any idea?
It is rotel?
No. It's supposed to be chicken buffalo dip. Have you ever had the real version? A lot of people haven't. Yeah, a lot of people haven't. So that's
Sound like too much flavor for me. But it's actually good though. This fire. Yeah.
I said too much.
Just give me some regular cheese and
Oh God.
that's
Yeah,
fire.
yeah.
I'm taking it with me, shawty, you feel me?
Whatever. You ain't even on camera. As always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time. Peace.